Hello everyone and welcome to Blockchain with Pilani. I hope you'll enjoy this video that will be covering harmony in 20 minutes. My name is Ayushmaan and let's get started. So, harmony. What is harmony? Harmony is a smart contract platform aiming to achieve the perfect balance between scalability and decentralization. Sounds cool, doesn't it? It aims to provide an infinitely scalable cryptocurrency that does not compromise security or decentralization in doing so. It combines data sharing and scaled decentralization with a marketplace for fungible and non fungible assets. Pretty nice. So, let's start with a little history lesson first. As is said, it will greatly improve our understanding of the future. Won't it? So, first talking about the state of the mainstream systems, let's talk about Bitcoin. Since the publication of the Bitcoin white paper in 2008, the concept of blockchain has spread across the world. While decentralized money and applications are becoming well publicized ideas, design limitations have challenged the core aspiration of Bitcoin. The original Bitcoin blockchain was designed as a peer to peer payment system that allows people to transfer value without intermediaries like banks or payment processors. However, as Bitcoin gains popularity, its performance bottleneck became very evident due to its limited throughput of just around 7 transactions per second. And its cost as a payment system became prohibitively expensive as more and more people started using the network. So, something needed to be done. Well, in time came Ethereum. In 2014, a paper by Vitalik Buterin and others proposed a new blockchain infrastructure called Ethereum, which enabled developers to create various kinds of blockchain applications using smart contracts. However, Ethereum did not solve the scalability problem, and with its almost 15 transactions per second, failed to support high throughput applications such as gaming or decentralized exchanges efficiently, resulting in exorbitant gas charges that we have been seeing of late, reaching up to $100 worth of Ethereum for a single transaction. Well, that does make us sad. So, there has to be an alternative. What are the alternatives? Given Ethereum and Bitcoin's performance limitations, many blockchain projects proposed various solutions such as RapidCoin, OmniLedger, and a lot many more that attempt to increase transaction throughput. Well, something. Various blockchains propose to replace proof of work consensus with proof of stake consensus. What difference does it make? Well, we'll get to learn more about that shortly. Other blockchains, like EOS, use delegated proof of stake where block proposers are elected by voting rather than by an on chain algorithmic process. Projects like IOTA replace the chain of blocks data structure with a DAG, a directed acyclic graph, which breaks the limitation of sequential processing of transactions. We're getting somewhere, right? But where's the catch? However, these proposed solutions cannot make significant performance gains without sacrificing other critical aspects such as security and decentralization. It's called the blockchain trilemma. The scalability solution that both preserves security and decentralization is sharding. That is, it creates multiple groups, which are known as shards, of validators and lets them process transactions concurrently. As a result, the total transaction throughput increases linearly as the number of shards grows. With this, Enters Zilliqa. Zilliqa was the first public blockchain that proposed to address the scalability problem with sharding. However, Zilliqa's sharding approach falls short in two ways. First, it does not divide the storage of blockchain data, that is, state sharding. This prevents machines with limited resources from participating in the network, thus curtailing decentralization. Second, Zilliqa's sharding process is susceptible to a single shard takeover attack due to its reliance on proof of work as its randomness generation mechanism. We needed a solution for this as well. Enters Harmony, the next generation sharding based blockchain that is fully scalable, provably secure, and energy efficient. Harmony addresses the problems of existing blockchains by combining the best research results and engineering practice in an optimally tuned system. Specifically, Harmony makes breakthroughs in the following aspects: fully scalable, that is, Harmony shards not only the network communication and transaction validation like Zilliqa, but also shards the blockchain state. This makes Harmony a fully scalable blockchain. Second, secure sharding. Harmony's sharding process is provably secure thanks to the distributed randomness generation, short form DRG process, which is unpredictable, unbiasable, verifiable, and scalable, all at the same time. Harmony also reshards the network in a non-interruptive manner to prevent against slowly adaptive Byzantine adversaries. Efficient and fast consensus. Unlike other sharding-based blockchains which require proof of work to select validators, Harmony is based on proof of stake and thus energy efficient. Consensus is reached with a linearly scalable BFT algorithm that's around 100 times faster than the pre-existing PBFT algorithms. Another, adaptive thresholded POS. The threshold of stakes required for a node to join the network is adjusted based on the volume of total staking in a way that malicious stakers cannot concentrate their power in a single shard. Moreover, the threshold is low enough so that small stakers can still participate in the network and earn rewards. Scalable networking infrastructure. With Raptor Q function code, Harmony can propagate blocks quickly within shards or across network by using the adaptive information dispersal algorithm. Harmony also adopts Cadencia routing to achieve cross-shard transactions that scale logarithmically with the number of shards. Another feature, consistent cross-shard transactions. Harmony supports cross-shard transaction with shards directly communicating with each other. An atomic locking mechanism is used to ensure the consistency of cross-shard transactions. So now, once we have gained a brief idea of how Harmony changes the way we use cryptocurrencies and blockchains, let's now try diving deeper into this wonderful blockchain that's known as Harmony. First, let's talk about the big person in the room, the consensus mechanism. Let's start. The Harmony blockchain is based on proof of stake rather than proof of work used in other sharding based blockchains, making it around 100 times faster. Secure sharding security is one of the primary focuses of any blockchain. It is unpredictable, unbiased, scalable, and verifiable. Harmony uses a distributed randomness generation process consistent across all shard transactions. Cross-shard transactions are supported by Harmony, wherein the shards interact directly with each other. The atomic locking mechanism ensures consistency. As we know, that the platform focuses primarily on validation and speed, the Harmony mainnet focuses on completely revolutionizing block creation. Not just that, introducing the sharding mechanism can significantly reduce node validation time. To secure the validation process and ensure the protection of nodes, the platform introduced something known as Verifiable Random Function, short form VRF. For those of you wondering, what is the purpose of VRF? The VRF is simply needed for two primary purposes: unpredictable and unbiased shared membership. As a result, the validators and nodes on the blockchain are assigned and often reassigned in an entirely randomized manner, which improves the long term security of the blockchain. Talking about long term, the long term goal of Harmony is to reduce centralization by providing an open node network that is managed by a vast online community. Collectively, the team at Harmony has a strong background in engineering and academia, coming from top tech companies like Google, Amazon, Apple, and Microsoft. Currently, the Harmony platform is available for developers and businesses to build marketplaces, to buy and sell fungible and non fungible assets alike. From loyalty points to in game digital assets, all using zero knowledge proofs. Harmony is able to provide users with a secure data sharing mechanism while also maintaining privacy. Ultimately, the platform could be used to share anything from credit ratings to ad exchanges and replace more common centralized exchanges. The Harmony blockchain platform is like a mix of Ethereum blended with the unique solution of the Harmony platform. This makes this platform developers select for its growth and scalability. The applications of Harmony Bridge, more on that later, can cater to both DeFi and NFTs. Developers will find familiarity in the Harmony blockchain platform with other primary blockchains by because Ethereum and Harmony both use a Solidity programming language along with Ether.js for coding on the blockchain. Hence, a general developer can easily migrate their code onto the Harmony blockchain. Users can expect a 2-second transaction confirmation and can swap between the Ethereum and the Harmony blockchain quite seamlessly. In simpler words, Harmony is just a next generation blockchain based sharding mechanism that is highly secure, fully scalable, and very energy efficient. Apart from that, the platform is known to address the issues faced by current blockchains, joining the best engineering practice and research systems, resulting into a fine, minimally tuned system. Multi-million dollars have been invested to make cross-chain movement into a layer 2 ecosystem. Harmony's own crypto token, One, is by far the latest project to capitalize on this. Harmony is known to offer cross-chain bridges to a few protocols on layer 1, including Ethereum and Polkadot. Their mainnet runs Ethereum applications at a finality of 2 seconds per transaction and over 100 times lower fees than the competition. Harmony is said to be an open platform for collectible assets, governance, and identity. Their security bridges provide cross-chain asset transfers with Binance, Ethereum, and three other blockchains. Harmony provides a platform for developers to connect with their community. Apart from that, its novel proof of stake mechanism is majorly responsible for the entire network security. Harmony bridges are very well capable of connecting any proof of stake chains. The maximum lifetime supply of Harmony is nearly 12.6 billion tokens. The platform's mainnet supports 4 pieces of 10 nodes as an actual one block is just produced in 2 seconds, which indeed makes it really fast. In harmony, these small pieces are known as shards, as explained earlier, and the process of dividing more prominent nodes into shards is called sharding. Everything connects, see, right? The process of nodes being rearranged amongst the shard is happens and hence completes the whole process, the whole mechanism of sharding in harmony. So now, how is harmony going to change the world? Well, harmony has built a secure network that scales out bad actors. Any bad actor seen double signing transactions receives a double slashing of their stake. That means around two-thirds of the stake will be gone and the validator will be removed from the network. Though the validator gets a generous margin to uptime with each transaction done, some of the Harmony tokens are burned. Around 50% of tokens collected from penalties are also burned. Harmony's strategy and architecture include interoperability partners and decentralization. The interoperability front includes the Ethereum bridge, the Bitcoin bridge, cross shard, and composability atomic swaps of assets, and cross chain communication. Harmony achieves decentralization through recharging and fast sync. Harmony One, their very own crypto token, is an up and coming cryptocurrency for a few reasons. First, it can scale without compromising data and resources, security, and core safety. It is one of the only blockchain networks that utilize sharding, which establishes different layers of nodes and validators to verify transactions. This allows one to create new blocks and approve new transactions at the rate of 2000 transactions per second. Secondly, Harmony One is a very energy efficient token. It has utilized the proof of stake consensus algorithm from the very beginning. This means that it does not force miners to use energy guzzling mining equipment to validate transactions. Harmony One also stands out from the other POS blockchains because it only takes 2 seconds for its network to finalize blocks compared to several minutes on other networks such as Ethereum. Finally, Harmony uses effective POS consensus protocol followed by their native token 1, which is used throughout the platform in three ways: as a staking mechanism for the consensus model, a payment token for transaction gas and storage fees, and also for the purpose of governance, granting token holders voting rights. When it introduced its staking option in 2020, it became the first shard blockchain to ever do so. Truly democratized, truly decentralized. So, the future definitely looks exciting, and Harmony is right at the forefront of the future of blockchain technology, and one couldn't really hope for more. Thanks a lot for staying throughout this video. I hope you really enjoyed it and learned a lot more about harmony in 20 minutes. This is Ayushmaan Sharma, and I hope you liked the video. Thank you.